Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to monetize Instagram account. Alright, let's begin. First of all, if you do not have a professional account, you won't be able to monetize or check the monetization status on your account. So to get started, you will first need to convert your account into a professional account. For that, tap on the profile icon at bottom right corner of your screen and then open the hamburger menu from the top right corner. After that, scroll down a little bit, select Creator Tools, and then tap on the Switch Account feature to get a professional account. Next, in order to find the monetization status, get to the same Curator Tools and here, you'll find the monetization status. Simply tap on it, and it will show that you now are able to monetize. Just make sure to check all these policies, and you will be good to go. Next, get back one step. Then access the Add Payments feature from the top, and then you can add your account to receive payments. So that's basically how you can monetize Instagram account. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.